arcade machines ported to the ZX Spectrum. I'm going to do Super Monaco Grand Prix. So if you want to have a quick look at the arcade machine version. So easy arcade coin up version. Whoa, it's very fast. Oh shit! Here we go. Rather fast, as you can see. Ouch. We keep going. So that's Super Monaco Grand Prix. 14th on the grid. Look at me beat all them. So now, let's see what the Spectrum version's like. Okay, today I'm reviewing Super Monaco Grand Prix from Sega from US Golf for ZX Spectrum. Let's get this underway. We have a very scary looking green woman, well, a blue woman with green attire. So, yeah, this is impressive stuff in the right. So yeah, we choose a joystick. So, yep. This game was released in 1991. It's based on the coin-up machine, Super Monaco Grand Prix. So we keep going. This is Super Monaco Grand Prix. I'm cruising down the highway. Oh yes, we're going fast now, 313 kilometers an hour. Check out the speed. Oh shit. Here comes a bend. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit. So we keep going down the highway. Oh shit. Where's all the other cars? I think this is a qualifying lap. Oh, proper booting it now. Graphics very nice for the hard Spectrum. It's quite yellow, but other than that, very nice. Cruising now, 313 kilometers an hour. Keep going. Oh shit, bend! Ah! Ouch! Oh. That wasn't good. So we keep going. See if we can do better this time. I must remember to slow down at the bends. Whoa, very curvy. Keep going. See if I can make it round this bend without crashing this time. Having a fatal crash. Another bend here. Oh shit. Whoa, watch out for the wall. The lonely drive. Well, we shall get there in a bit. Probably that far. So I've placed 16th, which isn't brilliant. So now we should be able to win a race. Okay, we're in a race now. I'm 16th. See if I can beat him. Come here, I'm coming to get you. Yes, check it out. I just overtake that bitch. 15th. Oh shit, bend. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, bend, bend, bend. Slow down, get the brakes on, get the brakes on. Oh shit. He's just overtook me. Oh shit. We keep going. Holy fuck shit. We keep going. Checkpoint. What checkpoint? Checkpoint we are at. So we keep going. Oh shit. I'm gonna overtake the bitch. Oh shit, corner. Bend, bend. Oh shit. And I'm gonna give the Super Monaco Grand Prix on the Spectrum a 7 out of 10 for effort. Goodbye.